come back again this year, tau ki te kaupapa, rere ni ngā tika ki a rātau, e te mihi anō te tūmaki hau. They've got a new principal and a tuna as well, so big shout out to Sean. So without further ado, here they come, Ivo Irawa. Put your hands together. Hey, I'm going to make you a bit of a